Hi, Piggy. It's National Pig Day. Sit. No. Do round. Oh, what a good piggy. What a good piggy. Who wants her plum? Feed a pig a plum? Here it is. Oh, what a yummy piggy. You have no manners. Let's see how long this takes you. So far it's like 12 seconds. Boop. There you go. A happy Pig Day! Happy National Pig Day! Feed a pig a plum. And you get a happy pig. Whoop! Yay, pie! Yay, pie!